Hey guys, so today we're gonna change the trunk supports, those two. So I went to AutoZone and I got these. I told them about I need to change them and they gave me both of them. Now it cost me like 50 bucks, but you could always go to your dealership too. But I think it's a little more expensive. So to start off, you need someone to hold a trunk for you, but I don't have anyone, so I'm using a broomstick. But it's better if you have someone to hold it for you because you don't want it to fall on top of you while you're trying to do this. Now, before you do anything, it's better to take a picture of how it looks like. So when you do take it out, you could remember. So if anything, I would say go do that right now. Go take a picture of how it looks. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. And then right here, there's like a little opening. Supposed to put it right there. It's a spring. So you have to put pressure down and then it should be able to open it. Okay. So I got it down and you can see right there, it opens. So just be careful with that. I was able to take it out just like that. It's pretty easy. So now this part's loose and then that part should just easily come off too. Oh, well, you need the screwdriver again for that part. There you go. It's pretty easy. Right here's the old one, and right here will be the new one. So I'm just gonna start pushing it in there. There you go. And the other one's right here. I might need 2 hands for this. And that's it. That's how the first one goes. I did need to move the trunk a little more up, so I was able to fit it in there. But yep, that's how you do it. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same thing from this side. All right, so I cleaned it a little bit so you can see a little better angle, just like that. There you go. Just watch out, it might hit you in the face. And then supposed to push it out. There you go. And now we do the same for this side. Just like that. It comes up. So pretty easy. All right, so now, there you go. Click it. That's simple, guys. So it's always great to work on your car. You always try, things on your own. Let's go over here. So I took out the broom, and now you can see it's on. It works on its own. There you go. See, with my old one, when it will be like this, it will go down on its own, slowly, and just closes on you. So I had to change it because I don't want anyone to get hurt while I'm opening my trunk. And well, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Hope this video helped out. I'm going to find other videos that explains this more in case you need, maybe I couldn't explain it more easier for you. Maybe you need to watch other videos. I'm gonna look around and I'll leave them on the link below. You can follow me on my Instagram if you want. I know some people did, and then on my last video they'll ask me questions. So don't be afraid to hit me up if you need, some questions or anything like that.